नताशा आपकी हमेशा बोल्ड इमेज रही है और प्रियंका की भी समवॉट ऐसी ही इमेज रही है, तो क्या ये बहुत ज़्यादा बोल्डनेस होता है कि जो ऑडियंस हैंडल कर पाएगी?
देखिए, bold is a state of mind for me. I am a bold girl because I do not have anything in life to be ashamed of. That is my personality. More than the boldness that you talk. When you talk about bold, you talk about exposure of skin. I do not believe in that kind of boldness. I believe that if you're comfortable in doing something, and according to the character, if it's required, do as much as you are comfortable with. Not to just sensationalize or anything like that. You have to go with your character, otherwise, you look stupid. But in a film like this, I won't say my character is bold according to you or according to me. She's a normal girl. She's a normal girl like you or me. It is a very different role for me because I have not played such a simple role before.
Uh, and when you got to know that now Bobby is playing the role opposite you, it's not Akshay, what was your reaction?
My reaction is Akshay and Bobby are my first co-stars of Ajnabi, and I'm equally excited to work with Bobby as I would have with Akshay because they are the people who met me and encouraged me at a time when I didn't know anything about acting. I didn't know ABC of acting, and they have been the most supportive co-stars and most like they were like so warm with me at that point of time when I was absolutely a nobody, a total newcomer. I definitely always look forward to working with them, and definitely, I'm sure me and Akshay will work soon together again, in a new film.
आपके किरदार के साथ में कुछ खास लग रहा है कि काफ़ी वेट लिस्ट है, यंग लुक लग रहा है काफ़ी कंफ्यूज।
देखिए, मेरा कैरेक्टर जो है, शी इज़ अ 22-year-old girl, and though I'm 25 years old, I always look older than my age because of the kind of roles that I've done. And definitely, I believe in the existence of a woman. Like, I became a woman at the age of 17, I can say. I'm so mature from the age of 17. But this role definitely needs that kind of innocence. She is a woman who's in love, who also has insecurities like her normal woman. She's strong, yet at times, she's a little insecure, she's a little childish, she's passionate. So there are like very like a normal young girl, what she goes through. So definitely I have lost the weight. Also, definitely it complements the role of Barsat. I look younger. Yeah.
इस फिल्म में पहले